Hi everyone, I'm Catherine, and today I'm going to share my #1 goal planning hack with you. This is my secret way of how I make myself motivated to exercise every day of the week. So I think that most of us are familiar with the feeling of wanting to work out and needing to work out, so having different things that are going on with us physically that require exercise or stretching or some kind of regular movement and tending to our bodies in order to be at peak performance, but then also just having the feeling like we actually don't know how to make ourselves do that every week. And it can be really depressing and demoralizing and take a toll on our self-esteem if we are constantly setting a fitness goal that is unattainable and that we just can't make ourselves reach. So in my own life, I've found a way around this that works really well for me, and this is a hack that can be used for pretty much any kind of goal setting, but I use it specifically for exercise because that is the area that is just so challenging for me to motivate myself in if I don't have something that's this extra level of support and motivation. And this will be different for everyone. It could be running, it could be working out in a gym, it could be yoga, it could be stretching, it could be getting in a few more steps every day, but whatever your fitness goal is, this is my hack for you. To get myself out of a motivation rut and get my fitness routine back on track, I pay myself to work out. So what does it mean to pay yourself to work out? It doesn't mean that I have any more money coming in than normally. It just means that I'm diverting it to a different place. So I set up a little corner of my savings where I get to put $1 in for every workout. You could do this electronically in a savings account, or you could do it with a piggy bank or a jar and put actual dollars or coins in. And this is a special kind of savings that is a reward to you for committing to yourself and doing whatever your goal is every day. The key here is not to put money away somewhere that you don't see and then never spend it, and then you just feel kind of okay because you know that you're saving more money. But what I do is I make sure that that savings is for something really special that I would not pay for otherwise in my life, or something that has a high price tag and feels like it would take a really long time to save up for. That's the perfect kind of thing for an exercise motivation reward. So you can choose something that takes a very long time to save up for, but you just know that it'll happen when it happens, and the more you exercise, the faster you will get to that reward, which for me works really, really well as something to just kind of get me off the couch and get out of bed every morning and commit to my own exercise routine. This can be done at all different financial levels. I choose to put away $1 for every workout that I do. You could do 50 cents, you could do a quarter, you could do $5 if you want to save up faster. You could also do something that's not monetary, and you could keep track of every workout and have that be the amount of time that you will spend on a special hobby or activity or project that you're not making time for otherwise, and you can give yourself permission that by the end of the month you get to spend X number of minutes on that thing. Whatever works in your budget and in your lifestyle and motivates you, as long as it involves tallying things up and getting a reward at the end, is what I would recommend. And I'm now going to show you how I keep track of my workouts on paper. This is my workout sheet that I keep taped on my wall next to my calendar. And I got this particular workout tracking sheet from Blogilates, and I will link to the template down below. You can print it out and make it applicable to any month and write in any habits that you want to achieve. So how I track my workouts is that I list my goals here, and you can see that I've thrown in recipe planning. So there's a cooking nutrition goal there. And then I leave open squares for how many days of the week I want to do that thing. So some of them I only want to do once a week, so I've crossed off the other ones. My goal is to fill in that square every week. So I fill them in as I go, and then I count up the boxes at the end. Ultimately, with any goal planning, but especially with something that can be as negative as a fitness goal, the key is to find what works for you and works in your schedule and what gets you actually active, but making sure that it also has a positive benefit to it beyond the exercise itself. So make sure that it's serving you emotionally and mentally in some way, and that you're never taking something away from yourself or punishing yourself for not doing a workout. I never take money away from myself when I do this. I only get extra dollars the more I work out. If I only worked out twice a week, just get $2. If I work out 7 to 10 times a week, then I get $7 to $10. So at the end of the month, I'm always gonna have something, and I'm never gonna have less than what I started with. And that's what really makes it functional for me as an exercise motivation hack, so that I'm always looking forward to something. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for new videos every week. Bye!